Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify lead tracking in Leadpages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify lead tracking in Leadpages, begin by logging into your Leadpages account. Select the specific landing page you wish to verify. Click on the Edit button to access the page builder. Go to the Settings tab located on the left sidebar. From there, select Integrations to check connected services. Ensure that your email marketing or CRM platform is properly integrated. Scroll down to the lead tracking section in the settings. Confirm that the tracking is turned on for your page. Review the web form settings to ensure they are correctly configured. Double-check the fields in your lead capture form for accuracy. After making any changes, click on the Save button to apply them. Next, navigate to the Preview mode to test the form. Fill out the form with test information to simulate a lead submission. Submit the form and observe any confirmation messages displayed. Now, go to your email marketing platform or CRM. Check for the new lead entry in the respective platform. Verify that all submitted information appears correctly. If you encounter any issues, revisit the integration settings. Ensure that you have the correct API keys and permissions set up. Repeat the test if necessary to confirm successful tracking. This process will ensure your lead tracking in Leadpages is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.